In front of me is Nubia Red Magic Astra gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to click on Users and Accounts. Now tap on Open under Google. Click on Google Password Manager and click on any password you wanna delete. Enter your current login method. Click on Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!